Top of the g'day to you, everybody. How are you this afternoon? Gotcha. All right, so a couple little parcels have come in. I have my IL MAKIAGE. Says, sorry, I don't speak, low maintenance. Foundation has come in. So I just wanted to run through, and then my Sephora Hall as well that hubby bought me the other day. Just wanted to quickly run you through. So if you go to IL MAKIAGE, I'll put it down here for you, or up here, or over here, or down here. .com, and then you have to fill out a little survey. So this will be very, very interesting to see from that survey how it goes on colour for me. So it basically goes through things like, I'm going to put my goggles on for this one. So what type of skin type do you have? Dry, married to my moisturiser. Oily, I live for powder. Combination, my face likes to switch things up. Or balanced, #blessed. And I mean, I was combination. My face likes to switch things up. So then you go on to the next bit, and then it says what kind of coverage do you like? Lightweight to full, and there's 5 different things you can pick. I think I said full. Then you go, what kind of finish are you looking for? Matte, natural, luminous. A radiant glow, natural glow, that's me, baby. Sweet. Now we'll show you some photos, and then you get to pick. So it's a really good system. So let's open it up and see how well it paired me up just from a survey. Let's have a little bit of a gander. IL MAKIAGE, New York. So on the inside of the box it says untraditional, uncompromising, undeniably extra. That's me. Comes in this amazing little tube. IL MAKIAGE written here. It's quite stunning actually, and then it's got the colour of your foundation. So you know what? I reckon it's going to be damn close. I can't really try it out, so I'm just gonna, I don't know, just gonna try it a little bit on my neck maybe, and I'll use it in my next video, guys. Just wanted to share it with you because it's come in today while I was at work. Probably not the best place to be trying it on, but I've got makeup on already. What I'll do is I might do a quick video in the morning just for a foundation. Maybe it depends on what's in that Sephora box. It's actually smoothed everything out. I'll be. All right, I'm going to try that in the morning for sure, guys. Number 1, I'm on this tomorrow. Promise. Foundation review coming up. Alrighty, let's rip into the Sephora Hall. Woohoo! Thank you for shopping at Sephora. Oh, I feel like it's Christmas. Here we go. The Tarte Palette. How gorgeous is this? Now, I was just wondering if I should, wow. Oh, wow. Are you kidding me? Get a gander at that, it's bloody pink. Pink and purple. Oh, how gorgeous. How gorgeous is this palette? Oh my goodness. Well, that would have to be the prettiest one I've ever owned so far. That is just stunning. Oh my goodness. I love it. That is so me. Tartlet in Bloom. Well, I'll be. All right, I'm going to quickly look up how much that is. Okay, guys, so I found it. So he's gone into gifts on the Sephora website here in Australia. And then you come down to the Tartlet in Bloom Clay Palette. And retailing for $60. 4.5 star review. 12 brand new on-trend eyeshadows and a mix of matte and luster finishes. Woo-hoo. I am excited. The palette is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Alrighty, next. Wow, seriously. I know, right? I'm just going to keep going on about it. Can't help it. I'm going to put it away because I don't want to get the palette dirty. How exciting. Thanks, baby. Oh, and it too gives you some colours to do on there. Sunflower Stare, Magic Moonflower. Share your look with us. Tarte Cosmetics. Oh, there you go. Did not know that. That's a lovely idea, isn't it? Alrighty, next up, the Beauty Blender. Right, have a look at this little gorgeous little baby. Voila! How cool is it? Look at that. See, so it's got an aerated bottom on it. It's black and pink. I'm pretty sure this is the cleansing matte. So you just use the soap and you scrub it on that to clean it, and then you keep it in the pouch, which is aerated so it won't go mouldy. Oh, that's so cute. I love it. Another one I can use tomorrow. And then it just zips up. That is absolutely gorgeous. Besties, they call them. Besties Beauty Blender. Put that back in as well. Woohoo! The Sephora 04 set. Advanced brush set. Woohoo! This looks exciting. Let's rip her open. Hoo-yah! Look, cute Christmas. Righto, so what we got in here is a foundation brush, powder brush, blush brush, oh no, an eyeshadow brush, crease brush, precision eyeshadow, precision crease, and a brow pencil. Or two brow pencils. Anyway, let's have a little look-see. So you take off the top. Let's just pray I keep it like this, huh? Alright, there's a few in there. This is exciting. Wow. How awesome are they? That is so beautiful. Oh yeah. So it's a double-ended eyebrow one. Big spoolie. And then a tight line on the end of it. Woohoo! Oh, they feel so nice too. Oh, thanks, baby. That's amazing. Absolutely amazing. And the little carry bag's fantastic for travel too, because we do travel quite a bit. Sephora. Oh yeah. Guess what this one is? Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss Bombs. I know, right? I was in shock. So, what you can do is you can pick one of your favourite colours and you add it onto this little keychain. How awesome is that? I'll just attach that to my Lexus key. That is so cool. And then they've given me a couple of samples in here. Peter Thomas Roth. That's supposed to be a really good brand, actually. Really good brand. That is a cucumber gel mask. Sounds nice. And then we have, oh, IT Cosmetics sample. Colour corrector. Well, that'll be interesting too, actually. Righto, so I'll swatch them for you and I'll show you how it slips into this little case to make a key ring. That is the cutest idea. Gotta get out of the car. Do I need lipstick on? So what's that? So that's your little key ring, right, with a little cover. And then your gloss just slips in there. Is that not just the cutest thing you've ever seen? All right. So we've got Pink Dragonfly and Fenty Glow. They're the two colours that came with it. So that's pretty cool. Just going to come back into the website again and have a look at how much they retailed for. Same with the brushes and the sponge and the cleaner. Okay, Fenty Beauty, $38. So you get two lip glosses. Are they lip glosses? Yep, lip glosses. And a little keychain, which is just adorable. The sponge from And it's an actual beauty blender one. I don't know if I've ever actually owned a beauty either. I don't think I've ever actually owned a beauty blender before. The full beauty blender. Like, everyone calls them beauty blenders, but they're just sponges, you know what I mean? All right. Here we go. $31. So I reckon that's going to be pretty good. And my brush set from Sephora. Sephora brush set is... Okay, and then you come over to the side and you go into beauty tools. The advanced beauty set, 120 bucks. They want to be good. How lucky am I? That's just stunning. Wow. There you go. 120 bucks for that one. So that's all your prices. I'll try and put them up on the screen as we're going along, just in case you can't keep up with it. And I'm just going to swatch these for you. So this is Pink Dragonfly. How pretty. Fenty Beauty. My first bit of Fenty. Oh, and by the way, I told a fib in my last video. I said I'd never owned anything from Tarte. I have. I've had the Tarte Shape Tape. Remember the concealer I used to have? So I have had something. My apologies. And then this one is called Fenty Glow. Beautiful, beautiful colours. There you go. How exciting was that? And then, I don't know which one I would use more often than not. Anyway, I'm just going to put the Fenty Glow inside the little keychain. What a novel idea. And then that one can go onto my car keys. That is so cute. That could go into your handbag, on the inside of your handbag, wherever you want to put it. What a fantastic idea. All right, that's it from me this afternoon. Quick little video on my little haul. We'll definitely be trying out this tomorrow, and I'll be definitely be using some of those products that I received today. So thanks to my baby. Mwah. You're a beautiful person. You're always thinking of me. Thank you so much for tuning in as always. Please take care of you, and I'll catch you again soon. Mwah.